Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel and to my 2019 Christmas DIY series. In today's video, I show you how I made this really beautiful non-light fireplace mantel decor using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. So the first thing I did was remove the drawers from each of my wooden boxes. I'm only using the drawers for this project. I'll show you how I use the other part of the box in a future project. Here I'm marking the halfway point between each of the wooden boxes. I'll then use a power drill to drill a hole directly below those markings. Here I'm using a wooden skewer to make sure that my hole is completely clear, and then I'm using some Dollar Tree sandpaper to sand my rough edges. Next, I'm using some wood glue that I purchased from Dollar Tree to attach all 9 of my wooden boxes. Here I'm using a few Dollar Tree clamps to hold my boxes together until the glue dries. Here I'm wiping away the excess wood glue, and then I allowed this piece to dry for about 2 hours. While that dried, I began working on my bulbs. Here I'm removing the top from my DIY ornament. I'm then using Gorilla Glue to attach it to one of my napkin rings. I repeated those steps for all 9 DIY ornaments. I then set them aside to dry for about an hour. Next, I attached my wire lights to my wooden boxes. I'm using these wire lights that I purchased from Amazon. They are 39 feet long. They also are remote controlled, and they also have a timer. To keep this an all Dollar Tree project, you can hot glue some of their tea light candle holders inside of each of the wooden boxes. Here I'm feeding my wire through each of the wooden boxes. I'll then feed that same wire into each of the bulbs and then attach the bulbs to the box with hot glue. Once the wires were added to each of the bulbs, I then used a small amount of hot glue to hold the wires inside of the box in place. And here's the completed base design. At this point, you can decorate this a number of different ways, including staining it. You can also paint it your favorite Christmas colors. You can cover the boxes with fur, flowers, Mod Podge images. In this case, I've decided to cover my boxes with this glitter paper that I purchased from Michael's. Here I'm using a small amount of hot glue to attach my glitter paper to my boxes. I'm not using a lot of hot glue here because I may change my mind and decide to use another decoration for my box later. For the top of my box, I custom cut a piece of the glitter paper to fit each of the spaces in between the bulbs. I only used 2 pieces of the glitter paper and I had this piece left over. To complete the project, I added some of this Hobby Lobby decorative trim that I already had at home, and here's the finished look. I'm not quite ready to decorate for Christmas just yet, but I'll later surround this box with other items like garland, poinsettias, candles, and other things to help complete the look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!